panagtigom kaniadto karon ug sa umalabot. This is the theme of the significant mission-wide event, a gathering of literature evangelists spanning from historical figures to contemporary leaders. This momentous occasion is focused on reflecting on our past, examining our present, and envisioning our future in the realm of literature evangelism.
Sa mga katuyuan ani aron nga mabag-o o marinyo ang ilang mga commitment nga sila magpadayon.
Tell the world that Jesus is coming soon.
Ministers and people should engage in the circulation of book pamphlets and tracts as never before. Sell where people are able and willing to purchase. Where they are not, give them the books. Ug mao kini ang mandate sa Spirit of Prophecy, mao kini ang gisulti sa Ginoo, pinaagi siya ang propeta. That's why malipayon ka, we have a group of church members, literature evangelists, mga member of our church who are participating in selling and sharing.
One of the reason why nga nagpabilin ko ani nga buhat, it is because diri na ko na-experience ang kamaayo, diri na ko mas naila-ila ang Ginoo.
Kung handom nga pagkabuhat ko sa buhat sa Ginoo o kadiha nga gitawag ko ako nagbalibad hangtod nga bisan pa sa mga pagsulay nagyan sa ako pag-canvas pero wag yun ko mo-surrender padayon. We need to participate in sharing the gospel message through literature because we believe there is power in God's literature.
As we reflect on the past, engage with the present, and plan for the future, this gathering is a testament to the enduring importance of literature in our evangelistic efforts. This is Janine Henodipa reporting for Hope Channel, Southern Mindanao.